The measurements on, and my goodness, there's more on the way.
Didn't Steve Jobs start in a garage?
Yeah.
So did Micron.
Apple.
Micron started that way too.
Really?
Yep.
Oh,
Yeah.
so I say that they're off on the right foot.
I think so.
Well, guys, we got a lot of snow that's headed this way. We have more snow that's coming in tonight. We have more snow that's coming in tomorrow. Take a look at this time-lapse video from Sun Valley. I think you'll agree those mountains are just heavy laden with snow right now. And it looks like by the middle of the week, the temperature is going to warm up enough that we're going to start seeing rain on top of some of this snowpack before it changes back over to snow. But these are the latest snowpack numbers that just came in from the Department of Water Resources. And the folks out there are saying there is a tremendous amount of snow in all of our basins right now. The Owyhee Basin to the south is down just a little bit, but still 136% of normal. Bruneau Basin, 122% of normal. The Boise Basin, this is the mountain range just north of the Treasure Valley, 145% of normal. Payette Basin, 131. Weiser Basin now up to 113. And the Big Wood Basin, around the Camas Prairie and around south central Idaho, that mountain range is averaging 183% of normal. The temperature readings are going to start warming up. It's going to start initiating a little bit of a snow melt here over the next couple of days. Today, the temperature reading has been 38 degrees in Boise. There's the average for this time of the year, 52 degrees. Anytime we go above the average, things have the potential of getting interesting. 42 degrees tomorrow, up to 53 degrees on Wednesday, up to 56 degrees on Thursday, up to 57 degrees on Friday, and you have to throw in the possibility of occasional valley rain. That's in the forecast for the next 5 to 7 days. The pattern is going to remain extremely active. Right now, the temperatures are just borderline cold enough that we're seeing that rain, snow, sleet mix that's taking place right along the foothills. You can see here, looks like it's changing over to mostly valley rain in the lower Treasure Valley, but the rest of the valley is sitting dry. Now, here's how the pattern is going to be affected in the days to come. The river of moisture that has been prevalent is going to remain prevalent for the next few days. Now, right now, we're under the influence of a northwesterly flow. That's keeping our temperatures down in the 30s, and it's going to be a little bit on the chillier than normal side tomorrow. So I'm going to say any precip that falls tomorrow is likely going to be a wintry mix during the first part of the day, then change over to more scattered on again, off again valley rain showers tomorrow afternoon. But then towards the middle part of the week, the flow is no longer northwest. It's going to be coming in right out of the west to the west-southwest, and that starts tapping into subtropical moisture. Subtropical air is warmer than a northwesterly flow of air. That's what's going to be driving our temperatures upward into the upper 50s by the end of the week, and it's going to keep a steady stream of moisture wanting to generate occasional pockets of valley rain with maybe a little snow up in the mountains mixed in with some rain as well. But the bottom line is I think it's going to be unsettled for the next 5 to 7 days. Look at the futurecast through the day tomorrow. There you can see the next wave of moisture moving in. This looks like the model wants to make it scattered rain and snow showers in the morning, and then changing over to more mountain snow with valley rain showers. It's not going to be a solid, steady stream of moisture, but it'll be periods of shower activity, kind of like what we've seen today. And then looking ahead toward Wednesday, still there you can see moisture out there that wants to move in this general direction. 7-day forecast for the Treasure Valley, 42 for the high tomorrow. There goes 53 on Wednesday. Notice I've got a little wintry mix possible tomorrow, but then it changes over to steady, just scattered rain showers on Wednesday, periods of rain on Thursday, periods of rain on Friday, mostly cloudy on Saturday with more occasional showers with mild temperature readings on Sunday and Monday. The mountains are going to be seeing snow tomorrow, then it's going to be a rain-snow mix on Wednesday, then it could be all straight-up rain on Thursday up in the mountains, then a rain-snow mix on Friday and Saturday with more snow as colder air moves back into the area on Sunday and Monday. Isn't that an amazingly active weather pattern? So you understand when you look at the Boise River why they are dumping the water out of the reservoirs that they are, because they're understanding that not only have we've had an extremely active winter, but the pattern remains hyperactive, and we're approaching those months when all of a sudden, just like that, temperatures can warm up very quickly and you get rain on top of the snowpack. You got to have a means to mitigate the potential for flooding, and that's why the Boise River is as high as it is right now.
And those dams are the only thing protecting us from a flood.
It's the only thing that's holding back.
Flood.
Now, the Weiser River is the only river that is not dammed, and isn't, you know, doesn't have some kind of a catch basin. It's a straight on flow. But yeah, the Boise River is controlled, and they're doing everything they can to mitigate the potential for problems in the future.
And you said to keep an eye on things downriver in Eagle.
Oh, absolutely. Eagle, Caldwell, all those areas around
Keep an eye
Star.
on.
Any of those low-lying areas along the Boise could start seeing some flooding.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, Roland.
You bet.
All right. Before.